Hello, welcome back viewers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful website like that with AI, no coding.
Oh my god, just look at the design and its futuristic features. I promise I didn't code any single word.
You also can make a website like that. Just follow me and chill out.
To make the website for free, I am using Lovable AI. This is a great AI which provide you amazing website without any coding, just by writing prompt.
After open Lovable AI, just click on Get Started, then Sign for free. For the first time sign up, you will get 5 free credits, which is enough to make a website.
For prompts, I'm using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is best for write prompt.
Now look closely how you're going to use ChatGPT to write your prompt.
Explain ChatGPT everything. How your website's going to look, what your website exactly is, what's going to be your website name, title, how your website's going to work. Just explain everything.
Now look, ChatGPT just wrote the prompt for my website.
Now I am going to copy the prompt and paste it into Lovable AI. Boom!
Lovable AI now creating the website as I provided the prompt. Now just wait a few minutes, I will speed up the video.
All right, Lovable, just completed making the website. Now let's check it out.
Click Preview. Now we can see our website preview version.
Boom! Just look at the design and style. Oh my god! What a beautiful design. Look at the background and mouse cursor.
Can you believe it? You can create a website like that without coding.
Now just go back to Lovable AI and make some edit.
Now I am rewriting prompt to edit the website. I am saying to make sign up and login form. You can edit your website like that anytime.
The next day. Lovable just completed editing the website. Let's check it out.
Oh, wow. Just look, what a beautiful login page. Let's check if it's work or not.
Oh, let's do one thing first. Let's publish the website.
Look how easy you can publish the website for free.
Published. Now you can copy your website URL. Now let's check the website. Let's sign up first.
Wow, it's worked! Look at how amazing this website I just made without any coding. Every features is working perfectly.
The reaction, comment, everything working perfectly.
Look, I can write comment and post it. I also can react in the comment.
Let's check the posting features.
Woo! We also got the option to add photo, and it's working perfectly.
Let's post it. Nice, everything working fine. If you were helpful with this video, subscribe my channel and comment below. In next video, I will show you how you can add database on your website.